Does your car smell musty when spring rain starts? That smell isn't random. Something in your car is holding moisture. And if you don't fix it early, that smell can turn into mold, bacteria, and bigger problems inside your car. Sign number 1. Musty smell when the AC turns on. If the smell hits right when you turn on your AC, your cabin air filter is likely full of moisture and mold from winter. Why it happens? Moisture gets trapped in the filter during winter. When spring humidity rises, that damp filter becomes the perfect place for mold growth. Simple fix. Remove your cabin filter and inspect it. If it's dark, damp, or smells bad, replace it immediately. Sign number 2. Smell after rain or humid days. If the smell gets worse after rain, moisture is building up inside your system. Why it happens? Spring humidity increases condensation inside your evaporator and vents, and that moisture doesn't fully dry out. Simple fix. Run your AC with heat on high for a few minutes to dry out internal components. Sign number 3. Smell strongest at startup. If the smell is strongest when you first start your car, moisture has been sitting overnight. Why it happens? Condensation stays trapped in your vents after your last drive, allowing bacteria to grow while the car sits. Simple fix. Before turning off your car, shut off the AC, but leave the fan running for 1 to 2 minutes. Sign number 4. Damp or wet carpet. If your carpet feels damp, that's a major source of musty smell. Why it happens? Water from snow, rain, or leaks soaks into the carpet and padding underneath where it stays trapped. Simple fix. Remove floor mats, dry the area completely, and check for leaks or clogged drains. Sign number 5. Water leaking under the dash or car. If you see water dripping inside or under your car, your AC drain could be clogged. Why it happens? The evaporator creates condensation that should drain out. If blocked, water backs up and creates odor. Simple fix. Locate and clear the AC drain line. This often releases trapped water instantly. Sign number 6. Smell gets worse over time. If the smell keeps getting stronger, mold is spreading inside your system. Why it happens? Moist environments allow bacteria and mold to grow deeper into your HVAC components. Simple fix. Use an AC disinfectant spray or foam cleaner to kill bacteria inside the system. Sign number 7. Smell with the fan only. If it smells even with just the fan on, debris is likely stuck in your vents. Why it happens? Leaves, dust, and dirt get pulled into your intake and start to decay inside the system. Simple fix. Check and clean the intake vents near your windshield and remove debris. Most musty smells come from trapped moisture, filters, vents, carpets, or clogged drains. If your car smells musty this spring, fix it now. Because once mold spreads, it gets harder and more expensive to remove. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more signs and symptoms to help keep your car running smoothly. And I'll see you next time.